Here is a Dayton 6-inch clip-on table fan. Just came in the mail today. Found this one on Amazon, and it shipped from Zorro, which is like a big industrial supply surplus kind of place. They have an eBay store too, and I've bought a couple of fans from their eBay store, and I've been happy with those. They always seem to have the lowest prices on like commercial grade or industrial grade fans. So I've been pretty happy with them. And this is a fan that I've been looking at for years and just never pulled the trigger on buying one because I didn't really want to spend $30 on a 6-inch desk fan. So I've been trying to find a used one somewhere, and I found a couple, but the only ones that I've been able to find were missing the base. They had the clip, but were missing the base, and I really wanted to find one that still had the base so I could use it on my desk. So I had an Amazon gift card to use and decided this is what I was going to get with it. And it's a pretty cool fan. Pretty happy with it so far. It's very robust. It's got some weight to it. I think it's more heavy duty. Not that the Air King fan is really heavy duty, but this is definitely larger and more robust, heavier than the Air King. I think it might have the same motor though. I think the blade and the motor might be the same as the Air King fan, but the overall package is bigger. It's at least like 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches taller than the Air King fan. And this grill is like not the flexible mesh stuff that you might have seen before. This is pretty rigid. It's not going anywhere. Like the cool Dayton logo on the badge. Here's the sticker. It's model 410C95A. Draws only 1.9 amps. Pretty cool fan. I like it. Here's the speed selector. 2 speeds. Pretty nice. And it has a grounded fused plug, and the cord itself is pretty flexible. It's a lot more forgiving and user friendly, I would say. It's got more give to it than the Air King cord. It's not nearly as obnoxious and stiff as the Air King cords, so that's nice. Here's the box it came in, which this box came in another box that was about 3 times the size of this box. It was just kind of sliding around in there, but the other box was heavy and rigid, and yeah, 0 damage from shipping, so that's always good. Came with the instruction manual, which looks pretty cool. I like the design of the instruction manual. There's some pretty cool pictures in here too. They were really thorough about this. It's well written and thorough. And there's some pretty neat drawings of the fan in here. Somebody spent some time on this. It's pretty cool. troubleshooting guide. I like this. It has the symptoms, possible causes, and corrective action. Some really good technical writing here. It's kind of entertaining. Then there's a warranty information. And then after that, I think it goes on to other languages. Yeah, so it's only like 3 pages, but 3 pretty good pages, I think. I'm gonna hang on to this. It's a pretty cool instruction manual. So let's get to it. We'll run the fan. Start on high speed. Plug has a speed selector, has a pretty good snap to it too. I like that. Overall, it feels like a pretty good quality fan. I would think that this is some kind of a rebadge, but I haven't been able to find anything that looks quite like this. It seems pretty unique, but it runs almost identical to the Air King fan too. It's pretty quiet. I think it's just as quiet as the Air King. Air movement's about the same too. Try to get the airflow. Set our feet per minute. So the Air King was running between 800 and 900 feet per minute velocity on the high speed. This seems to be a little bit more. Maybe not. It's right about the same as the Air King fan. Here in this one little spot here, we can break 900, get almost to 1,000. So I guess maybe it's a tiny bit stronger than the Air King on high speed, but not much difference there. Go to low. Quiets down quite a bit on low. Really nice mellow low speed. So we're between like 500 and 600 on the low speed. So it's got a decent high speed and a nice quiet slow low speed. Go back to high again. And off. Pretty cool fan, pretty happy with it. The clip is really strong on this too. It's definitely pretty good quality clip there. Again, I think there's some of these parts are similar to what's on the Air King fan, but I think this one's a little better. It's a little bigger, it's heavier, which also cuts down on the noise factor, generally speaking. And you could mount it also. It has mounting holes there, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, I recommend it. Pretty cool fan. Dayton 6-inch 2-in-1 clip-on table fan. Thank you for watching.